Little storyteller.
Little Leif was a small fluffy bunny with big, bright blue eyes. He lived in a cozy burrow nestled among sparkling green grass at the foot of the Rainbow Bridge. The Rainbow Bridge was usually a magnificent arc of dazzling colors that stretched all the way up to the golden gates of Asgard. But today, Leif noticed something was wrong. Right in the middle, a big patch of color had faded. It looked pale and gray, like a sleepy cloud. "Oh no," Leif whispered, his little nose twitching. "The Rainbow Bridge needs its colors." He knew the bridge was very important. It helped the friendly messengers travel between Asgard and their world. Leif decided he had to fix it. He remembered hearing stories of how the colors of the rainbow came from special things found in their land. First, Leif hopped towards the sparkling blue river that snaked through the valley. Near the riverbank, he found smooth, colorful crystals that shimmered in the sunlight. The blue ones reminded him of the clear sky. He carefully gathered some and put them in his little wooden bucket. Next, Leif went to the sunny meadow where sweet berries grew. He found bright red berries that tasted like sunshine, sunny yellow berries, and deep purple berries that stained his little paws. He gently picked them, careful not to squish them, and added them to his bucket. With his bucket full of colorful crystals and juicy berries, Leif hopped onto the Rainbow Bridge. It felt springy and soft under his paws. He reached the faded patch and carefully took out a blue crystal. He gently rubbed it onto the gray part, and a beautiful blue color spread out like a drop of ink in water. Then he took a red berry and gently squeezed its juice onto the patch. A vibrant red bloomed. He did the same with the yellow and purple berries, and soon the faded patch was bursting with all the missing colors. Red, yellow, blue, and purple. It looked just as magnificent as before. As Leif admired his work, a friendly bluebird with shiny feathers landed beside him. "Thank you, little one," chirped the bluebird. "The Rainbow Bridge looks beautiful again." Leif's ears wiggled with happiness. He learned that even a small bunny could do big things with a little effort, and by using the wonderful things around him. And that's how little Leif helped keep the world colorful.
Please subscribe. Thank you.